alkaline epoxies to bond, seal and fill almost anything. Rapid Set Clear Epoxy is ideal to repair glass ornaments, ceramics and electronic equipment. Need to repair chips and cracks in bathtubs, basins and toilets? Alkalin's Rapid Set White Epoxy is the one. Use the Rapid Set Steel Epoxy if you need to repair metal casings, equipment or silver ornaments. Alkalin's White Epoxy Putty is perfect if you need to fix broken tiles or floors, or if you need to fill chipped concrete. With the steel putty, you can fix rust holes, petrol tank leaks, and even reshape handles. Alkalin's new epoxy range, offering you a simple solution for any problem in and around your house.